Okay, we go. Ooh la 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 le.
Hey, Shahrukh, you ever heard of multiplication?
No.
That's
only,
it.
Only I've understood.
Just keep saying.
I've understood only big
Ooh la la
businessmen.
la le ho.
Ooh la 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 le ho.
You got it.
Thanks, Vijay. We really appreciate this, man. Thank you very much for your kindness and saying we got it. Thank you very much. I'm the bloody best actor in this country and you're telling me got it.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much. And thank you for making Rahul sing. And we love you, Vijay. Thanks a lot. Everybody, let's hear it for Vijay and the Royal Challengers.
Lordbo, Kodbo, Jitbo.
वो मैं दादा के साथ करने वाला हूँ अभी. दादा, please अपने owner के लिए भी गा दो. And let's try and sing it better than Vijay and Rahul, okay? Korbo lorbo jitbo re, korbo lorbo re, jitbo re, jitbo re. Okay, you know,
we
Vijay's
remove
a
the
friend.
Jitbo part.
Huh?
We remove the Jitbo part, maybe.
Jitbo. Okay.
They're going to win it the next year.
मैं सबको बता रहा हूँ 7 साल बाद देखना कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स को. I want to ask you this question. Have you been speaking and been in touch with Greg Chappell lately?
No, not after 2007 because I'm scared every time I speak to him, he'll tell me it's time for you to go.
Okay. Have you, but you have no, but you love him?
I like him. He was a good man. He still is, but I haven't met him after 2007.
Okay. Can I ask you more embarrassing questions about Greg Chappell or let it be?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. But I'm just joking with him. He's a great guy, great captain, great fighter. And whatever little issues Dada's had with the world, I think one of the nicest things is that he ignores it all, keeps it focused, and that is a mark of a great man. So thank you, Dada, for being here. And both of you, actually, I just want to tell you one thing, कि दोनों के दोनों ये शराफत की जो मूर्तियां हैं यहाँ पर, इतने अच्छे लोग हैं, एकदम शरीफ से हैं, बिल्कुल युवराज की तरह नहीं हैं. But I want to ask you both कि आप दोनों को कल्चर के बारे में बहुत मालूम है. आपने हमारे देश में कल्चर को आगे बढ़ाया है. सारे बच्चे जवान लंग के आप लोगों को अपना आइकॉन मानते हैं. I want to ask you a few questions about Indian culture. Would you? Why do girls put sindoor when they get married?
Not many put nowadays, but whoever does it, I think it's to keep the husband away from sins. Sin sedur.
Oh wow, that's very smart. And I'm going to ask you कि 7 फेरे क्यों होते हैं शादी के अंदर?
ताकि 7 जन्म तक साथ रहें
और प्यार की बरसात रहे. See guys, listen to both. You know, this is the genuine Indian culture, and I'm not going to cheapen both of them and embarrass them on stage. What I'm going to do is I'm going to call these two very very nice well-behaved ladies who are going to come on stage. मैं दादा और राहुल को दोनों को जामी को he's called Jami. Your dad used to work in the Kisan factory, right?
Yeah, he was the manager at Kisan Products.
Kisan Products, yeah. So he's been called Jami. So Jami and Dada, I'm going to make them dress up 2 girls in an Indian attire. And let's see if they're able to do this. So I'm going to call the 2 girls. Can we have the 2 young ladies for Dada and Jami? Please come. And let me just tell you, with all due respect, कि मैं दादा और राहुल को इतना सीनियर मानता हूँ, इनकी advice के बिना कुछ भी नहीं करता हूँ. They chose the girls. This is Madonna, and this is Samantha. He's married to Vijayta, he's married to Donna. दोनों को बोलना कि शाहरुख भाई ने भेजा है इनको, right? What you have to do is, they have these pom-poms with them. I want to ask Lalit also. Lalit, what are these pom-pom? Pom-poms in North India means, you know, like horns, pom-pom-pom. So these pom-poms, I'm going to take this away from you girls. Please stand here. And I've got this Indian dresses for both of them. Please stand next to Dada. It's not nice now when a young girl calls you Dada. Don't call him Dada. You call him... what do you want to call you?
Saurav.
प्यार से आपको लड़कियां क्या बुलाती हैं? Sorry?
Dada.
दादा ही? And Rahul, प्यार से लड़कियां आपको क्या बुलाती हैं? बता दो यार.
The wall.
हाँ? The wall. Okay, this is the wall and this is the Dada. Let's find out how much Dadagiri and wallness both of them have. I've got these Indian clothes. There are saris here. And there's some jewelry. We'll put on some music. Can you dress up these both ladies in saris?
Before we do this...
No, you can't take off the clothes.
We have to be clear that nowadays marriages happen in the net, on the phone. So hope there's something not happening here.
See, at IPL, anything can happen. Take a chance. Anything, absolutely anything can happen at IPL. So give it a shot. If you get married, we'll celebrate it with the family of IPL. So don't worry.
The one's enough.
One's enough.
One's enough.
Is
Getting
Donna,
married
can I
once
call
is
Donna
enough.
and tell her what you're saying?
You can. I'm married for too long.
Okay, so there's no chance. He's got no risk. He's gonna dress up this young lady, and he's gonna dress up this young lady. Start the music. Please give the young gentleman the clothes. Come on. Let's see if you can tie a sari. Come on, give them some encouragement. Tell them, come on, quickly. Don't be shy. Go. Have you noticed? They know the exact piece of jewelry going where it should go. Seems they've taken it off enough times. And whoever does it better will get a prize.
Now, where do I put this?
Wherever you feel like, Dada.
Where do I put this?
Your fetish, not mine. Go for it.
हाय मैं हो गया तेरा साजना तेरे बिन जियो नहीं यूं लगता मैं ते मर जावा ले जा
What? No, that's not how it is done, Rahul. You know it. Don't try to fool us. I can help you. Come. Hold it.
You're the pro. You're the pro.
I am an expert at sari thing, man. Come on. Hold it fast and run now.
And this is the easier way.
Oh,
This is the easier way.
Dada knows it with this Bengali guys, man. Okay, darling, this is it. Alright, guys, come on. Everybody, I want you guys to vote for this. Have they done a good job? Who's done a better job? Everyone, clap for Dada. Is his sari better? And is Rahul's sari better? कमाल है हमारे इंडियन क्रिकेट का नाम तुम लोगों ने कितना रोशन किया है दोस्तों है Okay, but thank you so much for being such sports. Thank you, Samantha. You have to go back to Bengal with him, Madonna, and Samantha, you have to go back with Rahul. So please take them back to their seats and have a good time. Thank you so much, guys. You guys have made us very proud and very, very happy. Thank you so much, Dada. Thank you, darling. Oh, she's going with Dada. जो भी स्टेज के ऊपर आता है वो सिर्फ एक ही प्लेयर का नाम लेता है बार बार उसकी शराफत उसकी अच्छाई उसकी गुडनेस के बारे में यूवी बेटा और किसके पास माइक्रोफोन है इधर उधर क्या देख रहा है तू कौन बुला रहा होगा तेरे को हाँ? माइक मेरे पास है ना तेरे को देता हूं ना माइक यू वांट अ कम Gentlemen from Kings 11 Punjab, the one and only Yuvraj. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the finest players, also one of the only players in the world, if I'm not incorrect, agar galat ho to bata dena, to hit 6 sixers in 1 over in T20. And one of the nicest gentlemen, थोड़ा सा बदमाश है, लेकिन अभी जवान है, छोटा है, बच्चा है, ठीक हो जाएगा बड़ा होते होते. And I'm not going to keep him alone here on stage because he said मुझे अकेले जो है शर्म आती है तो किसी और को भी साथ में बुला लेना. How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling good.
You're feeling good?
आपको देख के खुश हो गया हूँ मैं.
अच्छा लग रहा है
बहुत ज़्यादा.
हाँ प्यार आ रहा है मुझ पे
बहुत
तुझे.
ज़्यादा.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for one of the greatest cricketers of our time, Yuvraj Singh. Come on. And I'm going to call on stage another friend of ours, a great asset to our country because he's come from outside, led the way, shown us and shows the youngsters what grit, determination and leadership is. Put your hands together for one and only, Mr. Adam Gilchrist. Come on, Adam. Wonderful to have you here. Great honor, Adam, to meet you once again. You're a wonderful man. I want to ask both of you a few questions. So, Adam, will you bear with me till I speak to this young gentleman here who has problems which I need to sort out. Okay, युवराज, मैं जहां पर भी जाता हूं दुनिया के अंदर सारे के सारे लोग मुझको ऐसा रोमांस का किंग मानते हैं. But whenever I see girls कुछ बोलना चाहता तो बोल रहा हूं तो हाँ भी मुझे बात खत्म करने दे पहले. मैं जहां पे भी जाता हूं तो सारी की सारी लड़कियां जो हैं नॉर्मली मुझ पर मरती हैं, कहती हैं आपको रोमांस आता है, तुझे देखा तो ये जाना, ऑल दैट स्टफ. बट लेटली आई हैव नोटिस कि हर कोई मुझसे पूछता है कि यूवी कैसा है, यूवी कैसा है, युवराज ठीक है. सो लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स आर लाइकिंग यू एंड आई हैव रियलाइज्ड मे बी आई एम गेटिंग ओल्डर. हो सकता है कि मुझ में वो रोमांटिक बात नहीं रही हो, बट आई वांट टू सर्वाइव लॉन्गर. तो मैं चाहता हूं कि तुमसे कुछ स्पेशलिटी तुम्हारी सीख लूं. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग हिम ही इज वेरी गुड विद गर्ल्स.
Correct.
Okay, you know that.
Even I understood that.
Adam doesn't know Hindi, but he understood that, huh, Yuvraj? Look at the far and wide
Larry
reputation
doesn't
you
know
have.
Hindi right now.
Okay, we're going to teach him Hindi at the end of this, yeah? You and I, because